Hello students, how are you? This class we are going to learn chapter 17 Future Continuous Tense. Children, do you know what is future continuous tense? Last class we learned about future tense. This is the continuation of future tense, that is future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? What's its formation? Let's see. The future continuous tense is used to talk about future events that will be progress at a specific time in the future. The future continuous tense refers to an unfinished action or event that will be happen at a time later than now. One example for that: this time tomorrow I will be lying on the beach. And next one, I shall be working. He will be playing. The time tomorrow I will be celebrating my birthday. So this is the future continuous tense, refers an unfinished action or event that will be progress at a time later than now. So this is not a just simple statement about what you will be doing tomorrow. It also shows how exciting a future moment will be compared to the present moment. Okay, you can take our textbook, chapter 17, Future Continuous Tense. Get set go. Here, question given: use future continuous tense of the verbs in brackets to complete the sentences. One has been done for you. Okay, first one. Example given: we on a trip to Mumbai in January. Here bracket given, verb given, go. You have to put in a future continuous tense. How can make it in future continuous tense? So this is the formation of a future continuous tense, that is subject plus shall be or will be, anyone you can use, or plus root form of a main verb plus ing. Okay, then you understood what I said means subject. Subject is here we. We dash on a trip to Mumbai in January. That means we is the subject. And shall be or will be, anyone you can use. Here subject is we, so we can use shall. Okay, shall be. In future continuous tense we have to use be, and which is the verb go. So verb plus ing, that means go plus ing, that means going. So we shall be going, and next the remaining part of the sentence, that is on a trip to Mumbai in January. This way you can arrange future continuous tense. Okay, next one. My grandparents shall be arriving from Kerala tomorrow. The principal shall be lighting the lamp to inaugurate the annual day function. The teacher will be choosing the captains and perfects on Monday. Mary will be taking her sister to the hanging garden next week. So this is the formation of future continuous tense. Okay, then what is future continuous tense here written? The future continuous tense expresses the continuous action in the future. We learned now, that is, what is the future continuous tense? The future continuous tense expresses the continuous action in the future. We use shall be or will be as helping verbs in the future continuous tense. To make future continuous tense, we have to arrange shall be or will be as helping verbs in the future continuous tense. And here read the following sentences. I shall be enjoying. a swing at this time tomorrow. What is the future continuous tense here? Shall be enjoying. Shall be enjoying means shall be plus verb plus ing. Shall be enjoying. You will be walking with your grandfather at 6 p.m. You will be walking with your grandfather at 6 p.m. That is verb plus will be plus subject plus helping verb plus and root form a verb plus ing and the remaining part of the sentence. That means you will be walking with your grandfather at 6 p.m. Dr. Pant will be flying to New York next month. Dr. Pant will be flying. That is the future continuous tense. Will be flying. Will be plus fly plus ing. Will be flying to New York next month. In the above sentences, the verb shall be enjoying, will be walking and will be flying are in the future continuous tense. Okay, we learned now know the formation of future continuous tense. We use the ing form of the main verb after the helping verb. Which are the helping verbs? Shall be or will be. In future continuous tense, these are the helping verbs that are shall be or will be. And this is the formation of future continuous tense, which is that subject plus shall be or will be plus root form of a main verb plus ing. Okay, and here which are the subjects given here? Let's see this column. Okay, subject I, we. Then we can use shall be or the ing form with the verb that is going. He, she, it, you, they and any other subject we can use will be. We can use will be. So when the subject is I and we will use shall be. When the subject is he, she, it, you, they and any other subject we can use helping verb that is will be. And use of future continuous tense. The tense expresses the continuity of an action at a time in the future. Now you learn now that is the future continuous tense expresses the continuity of an action at a time in the future. I will be drawing a picture at this time tomorrow. And this tense expresses an action that is already planned. That what was that? He will be going to Goa next week. He will be going to Goa next week. Okay, this is the future continuous tense. Now you understood clearly, no? Okay, good. You can try the exercise. You can try the exercise given here. Okay, thank you.